because I'm shooting from the hip. I'm gonna do it softly this time. I still have a bruise from Christmas from the hip. What's up, guys? It's Eddie from AMD. I want to talk to you about Galaxy. Not the one that's far, far away, which is my favorite. 63, 64 Ford Galaxy. We have a ton of parts for them. And this is our 64 body. You might have seen it. We've taken it around for a couple of years. You know, then we retire them for a while. So, you know, giving you a little throwback here. Our sides are cut out so you can see the inner structure, wheelhouse, trunk drop off, all the stuff that we make for them. And not only 64, we make 63 Galaxy stuff. And in case you didn't know, we're building a crazy ass one with Jesse Greening from Greening Auto. It's his favorite car. He built one years ago, sold it, regretted it. Tell us about your legendary 63 Galaxy.
Well, this new project is stemmed from another one I had. It was another 63 convertible. It was an original paint car, really nice car I bought. Threw a chassis under it from Rose's shop. Had a Don Hardy motor in it. We faked it out. I really fooled some serious Ford guys with the engine too in that thing, so we had covers on it, making it look like an old Ford engine.
Nice.
New top interior in it, left the paint the way it was. Dad and I hopped in it, drove it west from Alabama to Scottsdale, Arizona to a Good Guys show, and never touched the freeway. We took it took us 2.5 days to get there, but we did a cruise all the way there. That was the initial run for the car, and I'll be damned if I was Monday morning when we were coming back after the banks opened, I was driving somebody else's car. So I'd sold it that weekend. I sold it, so.
Hey, I know a guy with a ton of 63 Galaxy parts, brand new. He's like, who is that, Eddie? I said, it's us at AMD, Jesse Greening, and here we are. So check it out, it's gonna be awesome, and look forward to that build. Jason, I'm out of here. Jason, I can't. She has me in the corner, I just can't, Jason, I really cannot.